Hi guys, it's Louie here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be unboxing this Pokemon trading card game, Scorbunny Galar collection. So today is the release date of Shining Fates. So I tried my luck in finding Shining Fates products a while ago, but suddenly I wasn't able to buy one. So I just bought this box instead. So my favorite starter Pokemon is Scorbunny, and we also got this Zamazenta V Jumbo card. So let's see what's in the back. So as you can see, there's the artwork of Scorbunny, and these are the Galar starter Pokemon. So inside this box contains 3 foil promo cards, then 1 oversized card, then 1 glossy Scorbunny pin, 4 booster packs, and 1 code card. So let's open this box. I also bought this box because it has the XY Evolution booster pack. So Evolutions is one of my favorite expansion. So I hope we pull something good today out of these 4 booster packs. So let's see what's inside. So as you can see, we got this Scorbunny pin, then this oversized Zamazenta V card, and these 3 promo cards. So these are holographic. So let's open it now. So these are the starter Pokemons. Then here's the Jumbo card. So for the booster packs, we got 2 Cosmic Eclipse, 1 Unbroken Bonds, and 1 XY Evolutions. So I'm so excited to open this box. Let's start first with this booster pack, Unbroken Bonds. So we got white code card. So first pack magic, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we got Energy, Torakat, Poliwhirl, Gloom, Carvanha, Togepi, Esper, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Reverse Holographic, Wooper, and Electromagnetic Radar Secret Rare. Wow! First pack magic, and we got gold. So let me slip this first. Wow. Then let's also slip this Wooper holographic. So next pack, this Cosmic Eclipse with Dialga and Palkia pack art. So green code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got Energy, Chaotic Swell, Type Null, Island Challenge Amulet, Slugma, Chinchu, Cosmo, Pancham, Drillbur, Reverse Holographic Island Challenge, Amulet, and Glelly. Regular rare. Not bad. Now, for the third pack, we got this Blastoise and Piplup pack art. One, two, three, four. So we got Energy, Heracross, Arachnid, Tro, Duskull, Timpole, Piplup, Cosmog, Ponyta, Stoutland, Secret Rare. Wow! So it's holographic. And for the rare, got this Beware. So let me skip this up first. So this secret rare card is one of the reasons why Cosmic Eclipse is highly sought right now. So yeah, then for the last pack, we got this XY Evolutions with Charizard pack art. So can we get a Charizard out of this booster pack? Let's see. So we got green code card. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got Charmeleon, Charizard Spirit Link, Poliwhirl, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Reverse Holographic Weedle, and Arcanine Regular Rare. So let me sleeve this first. So it's recap time. So for our rares out of this box, we got this Arcanine, then this Glally, then Beware, Stoutland, Secret Rare, and this Electromagnetic Radar, Secret Rare. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell as well, and please follow my social media accounts on the description box below. Thank you guys, stay safe.